Why some cats stay away from their beds. Cats are known for being independent and doing strange things. When they choose not to use the cozy beds that are given for them, their owners often don't understand why, even though it may seem strange. There are several reasons your cat might choose to sleep somewhere else instead of their own bed. 1. Preference for elevated spaces. Cats naturally look for high places to stay safe and watch what's going on below. When you're out in the wild, you can see predators and food better from higher ground. It's possible that your cat would rather sit on top of boxes or furniture than sleep in a small bed on the ground. 2. Temperature preferences. Cats can feel changes in temperature. They might look for cooler or warmer places in the house. If their bed is too warm or too cold, some cat beds may also keep heat in, which can be uncomfortable for cats who like to sleep in cooler places. 3. Not enough support or comfort. Cats have preferences for the feel and firmness of the objects they sleep on, just like people do. They might choose to sleep somewhere else if their bed is too hard, too soft, too small, or doesn't have enough padding. Cats also like to knead and change the way they sleep to suit their needs. If their bed doesn't let them do this, they might not sleep there at all. 4. Scent and cleanliness. Cats have a very good sense of smell, and they might not want to use their bed if it smells bad or isn't clean. They might not want to sleep there, even if there's a faint smell of cleaning products or other pets. Your cat may use its bed more often if you wash it and keep it clean on a regular basis. 5. Social dynamics. Cats are territorial animals, and where their bed is in relation to other pets or events going on in the house can affect how they sleep. If your pet's bed is in a busy area or close to a spot where another pet they don't likes to hang out, they may avoid it to feel safe and alone. Cats can feel stressed or anxious when things change in their lives, like when they move to a new place, get a new pet, or change their routine. When this happens, they might look for safety in places they know, or places that are away from everyone else instead of their bed. Giving them a safe and quiet place to be can help them feel better and get them to use their bed again. 7. Health problems. Cats may find it hard to sleep in their beds if they have underlying health problems that make them feel pain or discomfort. Common illnesses like arthritis, tooth problems, or urinary tract issues can make it hard for them to sleep the way they want to. If you notice significant changes in your cat's sleeping habits or behavior, it's important to consult a veterinarian to rule out any medical issues. Knowing your cat's specific likes and dislikes and needs can help you make a cozy and inviting place for it to sleep. Some cats may never really like their beds, but giving them choices and making changes can get them to use it more often. Remember that every cat is different, so you may need to be patient and try a few different places before you find the best one for your cat. Does the cat care about the bed's shape, color, or comfort? Yes, a cat's bed's form, color, and material can all affect whether or not it is used for sleeping. This is how each factor can change a cat's choice. Shape. Different cats have different tastes when it comes to the shape of their bed. There are cats that like beds with high sides or enclosed areas because they make them feel safe and private. Some people might like beds that are open or even flat areas where they can stretch out fully. By watching how your cat acts, you can figure out what position they like to sleep in, which can help you decide what kind of bed to get them. Color. Cats can tell the difference between different shades of color, but not as clearly as people can. While individual tastes can be very different, some cats may be more interested in some colors than others. The color of the bed may also affect how well it fits in with its surroundings, which can make the cat feel less safe and comfortable. Fabric. A cat's bed's fabric can have a big effect on how comfortable and nice it looks. Many people choose soft, plush fabrics like fleece or fake fur because they keep you warm and cozy. Organic beds, like those made of cotton or wool, may also be fun for cats. It's important to choose fabrics that are safe and comfy for your cat, though, because some cats may be sensitive to or allergic to certain ones. It takes a lot of trial and error to find the right shape, color, and fabric mix. Giving your cat choices and paying attention to what it likes can help you find the perfect bed that it will love to curl up in. What kind of bed should I get my cat? What should it be made of? What kind of bed and what kind of material are best for your cat rely on its likes, dislikes, habits, and needs. When picking out a bed for your pet, here are some things to think about. The size. Make sure the bed is big enough for your cat to stretch out but cozy enough to make them feel safe. Cats like to curl up in a small space, so if that's what your cat wants, look for a bed with raised sides or a design that keeps the cat inside. Choice of material. Choose soft, cozy fabrics that keep you warm and offer support. A lot of cats like clothes made of fleece, fake fur, and soft materials. Natural materials like wool and cotton can also be very comfy. Stay away from things that could make your cat uncomfortable or cause allergies. Easy to clean. Pick a bed that is simple to clean. For ease of use, look for beds with covers that can be taken off and washed in a machine. Cleaning the bed on a regular basis keeps it free of smells and dirt, so your cat's sleeping area stays clean and attractive. Place. Think about where your cat likes to sleep and hang out. If they like being in a raised area or a quiet corner, pick a bed that can be put there, because cats like having different places to sleep in the house. You might want to put beds in different rooms to suit their tastes. Durability. Choose a bed that is well made and will last, especially if your cat likes to scratch or rub. It is better for beds with strong construction and strengthened stitching to last longer and keep your cat comfortable. Adaptability. Remember that your cat's tastes might change over time. Pick a bed that can change to fit your cat's wants, like one that can be turned over or has adjustable parts. To sum up, the best bed for your cat is one that meets their comfort needs, fits the way they sleep, and matches the style of your house. You can choose a bed that your cat will love to curl up in for many cozy naps. By thinking about these things and watching how it acts. Does where my cat's bed is placed affect its choice of bed? In fact, where your cat's bed is placed can have a big effect on whether they choose to sleep in it. Cats like to stay in the same places over and over again because they feel safe there. Here's how where the bed is placed can affect your cat's choice. 1. Quiet and secluded spaces. Cats like to sleep in places that are out of the way and away from noise and a lot of people. They are more likely to use their bed to sleep if it is in a quiet area of the house or a room where they feel safe and at ease. 2. Elevated perches. Many cats like being up high because it makes them feel safe and lets them see what's going on around them. Putting their bed on something high, like a shelf, cat tree, or doorway, can appeal to their natural instincts and make them want to sleep more. 3. Warm and cozy areas. Cats like to sleep in warm and cozy places, especially when it's cold outside. You could put their bed next to a sunny window, a stove, or a heating vent to keep them warm and cozy. Stay away from drafty or too cold places, as your cat might not want to use their bed there. 4. Away from food and litter boxes. Cats like to sleep in a room that isn't near their food or litter boxes. Putting their bed in a different part of the house can help keep things clean and germ-free, and they are less likely to avoid their bed because of bad smells or memories of it. 5. Accessible but private. Cats like to sleep in a quiet, private place, but they also like beds that are easy to get to and not too far away. Make sure their bed is in a place that they can easily get to, and that they don't feel stuck or squished when entering or leaving it. 6. Many places to sleep. Cats may have different sleeping preferences based on the time of day or how they're feeling. Giving your cat a choice of places to sleep around the house, like different beds or cozy nooks, lets them pick the one that meet their needs at any given time. By thinking about what your cat likes and watching how they act, you can put their bed in a place that makes them want to use it for sleep, and makes the room more comfortable and attractive. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.